Welcome to the demonstration of Starfish, a tool to understand and optimize your Hadoop applications. Starfish is used by data scientists, business analysts, and IT operators to visualize, optimize, and strategize their Hadoop applications. With Starfish's Visualize feature, these users can quickly understand how their applications are performing. With Starfish's Optimize feature, they can easily configure Hadoop for best application performance. With Starfish's Strategize feature, users can allocate resources intelligently to meet the current and future needs of their applications. Let's see these features in more detail. Today, it's hard and frustrating for Hadoop users to understand and monitor the performance of their MapReduce applications. Starfish's Visualize feature aims to solve this problem. Starfish provides visualizations that enable Hadoop users to see how their MapReduce applications are performing across the full Hadoop stack from applications down to the infrastructure, understand where bottlenecks exist in Hadoop, find Hadoop parameters that may have been misconfigured, which is a problem that arises commonly. Overall, with regular use of Starfish, application developers become more efficient and learn to develop better MapReduce applications. Hadoop contains many dozens of configuration parameters. These parameters control the performance of MapReduce applications written in languages like Java, Hive, Pig, Cascading, R, and others. There are literally billions of combined choices for setting these parameters, and every Hadoop user and cluster IT operator struggles with how to configure them. Starfish addresses this problem by providing automatic health checks that use profiling data from the Hadoop cluster to identify misconfigured parameters. Starfish will also recommend improved settings for these parameters. In many cases, Starfish can self-tune the setting of these parameters, further simplifying the task of tuning application performance. Another major challenge today is in deciding how to allocate resources for Hadoop and within Hadoop. Intelligent resource allocation is needed in order to meet requirements on application completion time or on dollar cost incurred to run Hadoop clusters on cloud platforms, such as Amazon Web Services. For example, how do you determine the best Amazon EC2 instance type, cluster size, and configuration of parameters for a MapReduce application in Hadoop? Today, this process involves a lot of trial and error as well as wasted work when applications or data properties change. Starfish's Strategize feature addresses these problems through its automatic recommendations, generation of application profiles, as well as ability to answer what if questions. Using Starfish is easy. It consists of three steps. The first step is to collect profiling data from your Hadoop cluster. Starfish supports different forms of profiling data, such as the job history logs that are always collected by Hadoop, MapReduce runtimes, resource usage and similar metrics from Ganglia, and so on. The second step is to import this profiling data to a persistent profile store, such as the local file system, Amazon S3, or a database. You can then fire up Starfish's graphical or command line interfaces to invoke its visualize, optimize, and strategize features.